What's up, fish lovers? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jake. This is Foreshore Fishing. Today I'm up with my cousin Mike on the Feather River. Gonna do some fishing for bass, hopefully catch a couple stripers. You guys stay tuned.
Jake, I'm floating.
Welcome to YouTube, buddy. All right, so we just got our kayaks launched down here. Let's go try to get on some fish. You got your on? Nice. What is it? Mike's hooked up. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Heck yeah. Yeah, now you're on top of my fishing spot. Oh, shit. Oh, I'm on. I'm on. Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, on the vision. Oh, I gotta paddle out of this. I gotta paddle out of this.
Are you on one?
Yeah.
What is it?
I don't know. Striper. Vision. Watch out, Mikey. I don't want to flip you.
That might be legal, dude. Yes, Jake.
Yeah, baby. Dude, that was like first cast. Dude, that was first cast. No, I'm putting it right here. Right?
Let's get a measurement on yours. You see? Hold yours next to mine.
Woohoo! Oh, dude. They're
Dude,
clones.
Yours is gonna be
Mine's
nice.
like quarter inch
Right
more, dude.
Put this sucker on it, dude.
Dude, hell yeah, dude.
Jake.
Careful, watch the phone. You know what? I'm gonna throw the S waiver.
Oh, because mine is top water, dude.
These are pretty big hooks, though.
Those fish. Come on, dude.
Mike's on, Mike's on. Oh, he just boat flipped him.
Oh, flipper! I would go with the vlog and tuck it across through there, yanking it.
Oh, right.
Yes,
Right
dude.
on, dude.
We're out here, man. We're out
Killing
here.
it. Dude, that's what sucks about netting the visions. Oh, look, you see that blow up? Right past that last piling, way out there. Right there, baby. Right there. Oh, on. Nope, he hit it. Well, we must have caught the fourth. Oh, here's one. Yep, a baby. The old baby striper. Ah. Yeah. All right, there's striper number 2, little guy. All right, like that, and you got hung up. Got one.
You got a fish?
A small one.
Striper or bass?
Striper. Oh, yeah. Get that net, Mikey. Oh no, is it really?
Yeah, it's a spotted fish. Oh yeah, dude, that's a fat old spot, dude.
Dude, I saw it turn too. Mike's on one. Oh, where am I at? Right here.
Wait till I show you this thing, Jake.
Where is he at? Oh. There we go. Hold her up. Yeah. That's a nice one. Nice spotted bass.
It's freaking nice. Bet it pushes 20 inches.
It is a pretty long fish. Nice.
Thumped it, dude. Yeah, dude, look at right there. Jake.
Yeah. I don't know. Oh, I just got this one. Yeah, it is a striper, yeah.
Nice one?
On the S waiver.
No, you did not.
Yeah, I did.
You want my net?
No. Not that big. Clean fish though.
Legal, huh?
I don't know. First fish ever on the S waiver.
Legal. 16.
Yeah.
Once they pull them
Not a
all
big
out.
one.
Dude.
Got a shower. Oh boy. That's a good 3, huh? Hold that baby up.
Hey, there's the spot.
There you go.
Pretty colors on them all.
Yeah. There's one.
That one?
Yeah.
Don't let him off, don't let him off, don't let him off. Keep that pressure. If he jumps, he's gonna get off. Don't let him jump. Nice one?
No, smaller one. Now I'm happy. I finally caught a bass.
His bass, huh?
Yep. Yep.
What is he, about 12 inches?
Oh, probably. Oh, there we go. Oh, Mikey. Yeah. Oh, I think it's a striper. I just let it fall. I'm only on 6-pound line too.
Right. Oh well. Trying to get over. Still fighting?
I don't know if I got.
You might still have it on a log, dude.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
No. Oh yeah, there's like a rock or something there. Oh, I got. He's on.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
I don't know.
Oh,
What was it?
it's a fucking spot, dude.
Oh no. Oh, it is.
Fucking spot. Oh, Jake, stop.
Yeah.
Yes, dude. Let's freaking
Yeah.
go, baby.
Yeah, that fought
Dude,
so
when
hard.
you said, what is it? All I see was splash.
You're right, dude, that they wanted to stay on the bottom.
Yeah,
You're right on that.
they just sit there, dude. Oh my god. Oh, dude, what a freaking.
Oh man, look at that.
Hook you got in him too.
Yeah, that was a good. Right where you want it, man. He
Go on,
turned.
dude.
He turned quick. Oh yeah,
Let me see, about 18, 20 inches?
that's nice, dude. Probably
I give him 18.
right in there. That's a good one. That's
Oh
a good
yeah,
one.
dude. That's what you've been wanting, huh?
Yeah. Oh man, that thing fought good.
Oh, I know.
Mikey just caught. Looks like a bass.
Oh, dude.
There you go. All right, all you fish lovers, I think that's going to wrap it up for today. I think me and Mike did pretty good out here. We had a lot of fun. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit the like button. Helps out the video, so I really appreciate it. Until next time, see you guys later.